Welcome back to a new video guys. Today we are going to talk about how to pair earphones in JioPhone Next guys. How can you pair your earphones in JioPhone? Today I'm going to tell you about. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video guys. First of all guys, open your setting app. Sorry guys. After that friends, you can see connected device. Click here. Sorry friends, click on connected device and guys on your earphones here. So you can see my earphone is on. Then guys click on pair new device and refresh. So you can see my earphones name. Click here and guys after that guys click on pair option. You can see here, click here. So guys our earphone has pair. So guys now you can use. So I think guys you have understood how to pair earphones in JioPhone Next. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Bye bye friends. Before guys, please go and like my videos.